All right, super exciting day here. Got a little 500 we're going to make into a 740. Yes, a freaking 740. Holy smokes. This is a fairly large bore. Yeah. Anyways, so what we're doing right now is we are setting the ring gaps. 20,000 for the top ring, and we already did the second ring, and we did it at 22,000. And check the oil rings, and they are both already preset, so that's perfect. As you can see, these are just a tiny little, here, let's get the light better, here we go. Can't find it. There it is. Just a tiny little 100 mils. So yeah, anyways, we are just in the process of getting this bad boy together. My phone's not, there we go. It's being goofy. Alright, so here's a tool we got from eBay. This thing has been one of the best darn tools I have ever purchased, I swear. Instead of using a file, you just pop your ring in here, and I will do this one quickly just to show you. So yeah, you just pop her in here, you get her tight there. It actually holds the angle of the ring properly and everything for you. It is fantastic. Turn the dial, check it, recheck it. You know, it usually takes 10 freaking times, but you usually get her. And then you're on your way to some power. Of course, I always wash these with soap and water before install. Always. Clean all your pistons with brake clean and blow them off really nice. Wipe down your rings, of course, before you install everything. Always clean. Can never be too clean. Another thing I always do is I always run my bikes for 1 hour and I drop oil. So within that hour, you're getting all your contaminants from building, blah, blah, blah. You know, slam her through, drop the oil, do your 10 hours. Make sure you run mineral, of course, always mineral oil for braking. That's about it. So yeah, we're going to continue on this build here. I'll give you a quick glance of what we got going on. We're going to do an in frame here on this 500. We are also popping up to a 51 mil throttle body, and we already grinded this all out, and we're changing this to the 800R throttle body as well. And as you can see, I pre-match all my rubber to the size of this bad boy, right? So that gets a little bit of porting, and then I also clean up. I will clean these up as well, and clean up he's using stock headers, so I will clean them up too, so they flow a little bit better. Nothing too crazy, but starting out mild this year, and he's going to continue on from this. We also went to the 800R intake with green injectors instead of the 500, which has the well, I don't even know what those are, pink or purple. They're just tiny anyways. So everything's going up a little bit bigger. Power Commander 5, 800R cams we're gonna do. This is nothing too crazy yet. The big bore was the major first purchase. He's gonna go and the 51, and you know, just changing it to 800R, and after that we can do cams after, because we don't have to open it back up. So we're gonna do cams later, probably exhaust later. It's got a CV Tech on it right now, so it should do pretty good. This is John's wife's bike. She just wants to beat up the boys a little bit, and I'm pretty sure this is probably going to do it for her. So stay tuned, and we will we will have this puppy on the dyno hopefully within the week here and get some numbers. See what this 740 kit puts down. Right on. Thanks guys. See you later.